Okay, we're going to look today at how we add an image to our email template in MailChimp. So I'm in the email template builder and I have my newsletter loaded up and I'm ready to go. So on the left is our newsletter and on the right are content blocks. So content blocks allow us to add different pieces of information quite easily to our template and build our template out. So what I want to do is I want to add a new image to my template. I want to add it here underneath this red box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the image content block here on the right. I'm simply going to click and drag. You can see the icon dragging along there with my cursor. Over to the template. MailChimp gives us some help on where to place the content block. So this looks about right. So I'm going to release the content block and content block has been placed into our template. Right now, it has a placeholder in place of the image. We want to change that and put our image in there. So we're just going to click Browse. We're going to go to the Content Manager. If our image isn't already uploaded, we'd simply use this button up in the top right corner to upload our image to the Content Manager. I want to insert this image here, so I'm just going to click on it once. It gets this little check mark. I'm going to go to the top right here and click Insert. So MailChimp places our image into the template, and there's just a couple more things that we want to do here. So here on the right, we can see that we can link this image, and we also have the ability to add an alt tag. So I'm going to add a link to the image so that when somebody rolls over the image, they can tell that it's a link. The little cursor will change, and they can click it and go to the website. So I'm going to add a web address, and I need to add a URL. So I'm just going to add a website URL. I'm going to click Advanced Options. I can put a title attribute in here. This just helps with the usability of your template. And then I'll click Insert. So now the template has a hyperlink for the image. I'm also going to add an alt tag. Alt tags help with the usability of the template as well, particularly for those people who have images switched off or have a disability. Maybe they can't see images, maybe they have trouble seeing images. So an alt tag can help them understand what the image is. So this is really useful from a usability perspective. You should always include an alt tag. And an alt tag simply describes the image that you have placed in your template. So I'm going to call my alt tag wine glasses and bottles update. Okay, that completes the tutorial. We have an image in our MailChimp email template. Just going to click Save and Close, and we're done.